This is the girls 15 and over 400-meter freestyle relay. In lane 4, Tornadoes A, lane 5, Speeders A. The record for this event set by Tornadoes in 1996 in a time of 4:16.81. Anastasia Chin for Tornadoes in lane 4, handing off to Abigail Henry. And Angara Sinclair in lane 5, handing off to Gabrielle Morris.
Okay, we're helping.
Teams, cheer on the swimmers. My mind is only 2 of them, but cheer them on. Tornadoes, cheer on the swimmers. Speeders, cheer on the swimmers. That's Abigail Henry, and I think that's Gabrielle Morris.
Hold her off, hold it. Hold her off.
Here comes Dasha Clark for Tornadoes.
And there's a decent 100. Hold her off, hold her off.
That looks like Catherine Brown for Speeders. There goes Dashane Clark, chased by Catherine Brown. Results of the boys 13-14 400 freestyle relay. 4th place, Tornadoes B, Luke Mayer, Joshua Lawrence, Joshua Craigie, Adam Griffith, 5:20.33. 3rd, Speeders A, Shay Stewart, Javon Jackson, Chester Adams, Kevon Findlay, 4:32.49. 2nd, Swimmers A, Tash Thompson, Jordan Narr, Jordan Payne, Jordan Hines, 4:15.34. And 1st in record-breaking time of 3:58.91, Tornadoes A.
Oh, there's an A.
Sean Douglas Good,
relax, relax, bring it home comfortable. Relax,
Here comes Dashane Clark of Tornadoes A.
Alright, looking good, looking good.
Chased by Catherine Brown of Speeders in lane 5.
Looking good.
Ariane Leo Ryan in lane 4 for Tornadoes.
Touch it out, little more effort.
And Chester Adams in lane 5 for Speeders.
Go Dashane, go, 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 go. Give her a little lead.
There goes Ariane Leo Ryan, being chased by Chester Adams.
We will not have it today. Yep. Hold her off.
Come on. Let's hear it. Tornadoes and Speeders. Tornadoes and Speeders. It's a fight to the finish. Survival of the fittest. Who is it going to be?
Bring it home.
Who is it going to be?
Bring it home.
Look at that. It's Chester Adams and Speeders in lane 5. But Ariane isn't giving up.
Come on, Ariane.
Isn't giving up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not giving up. But Chester Adams is chasing her. But Ariane is holding on.
Hold it, Ariane. Hold it.
Pushing herself.
Hold it. Everything. Everything.
She is not giving up. She is fighting to the end. Ariane Leo Riley for the Tornadoes, fighting to the very end. Followed by Chester Adams. Ariane Leo Riley for Tornadoes.